TRLFF is a global cannabis and hemp wellness brand for pets. Founded in 2013, the company has two main operating divisions, Leaf Medicine Inc. and Leaf Pet Inc. Leaf Medicine Inc. was launched in July 2013 to become a licensed producer of federally approved medicinal cannabis for the Canadian market. Established in 2015, Leaf Pet Inc. markets hemp-based products for pets worldwide. True Hemp Chews, dental sticks and supplement oils are sold in more than 1,800 stores across North America and Europe. TRLFF trades on the CSE under the symbol MJ.
Now I'm in studio with a very special guest. I'm with Darcy Bomford from Leaf Medicine International. Darcy, welcome to the program.
Pleasure to be here.
Now, just to, can you give us just a general recap of what your company does for those who may not be familiar with what you do?
For sure, yeah. I came from the pet industry and have 30 years experience there, and exited in 2012. Was an early applicant in the Canadian medicinal cannabis space in 2013. Formed a little private company, took it public, and ended up in the queue for a license, getting close to getting the license. But in 2015, we did a pivot into the pet space and launched TRLFF Pet, and that is now the focus of our company, is basically cannabis for pets on a global scale.
Okay, do you have any brands in major retailers right now? Yeah,
for sure. Our pet product brand is called True Hemp, right? We're in over 3,000 stores globally, so we're in North America, Canada, US, and throughout Europe as well.
Okay, and what are the primary cannabinoids that go into that product? It's my understanding that dogs do not respond well to THC, so I'm assuming that this is not a THC-based product, correct?
That's correct, yeah. We had a different route to market. We started with hemp seed-based formula, so it would be the same type of hemp seed you'd find at Whole Foods or in a health food store. Canada is the #2 supplier globally, actually, of hemp seed, so we started with that as a base for the formulations. And hemp seed is legal globally, right? It's legal in Canada, legal in every state in the US and in Europe. And we added some other active ingredients to support the use of the hemp initially. But yeah, we don't have any THC in the product for dogs, which of course is a controlled substance. And in the US and Canada, no CBD either.
No CBD, okay, that was my next question. So it's just pure protein basically from the hemp fiber and hemp seeds?
Well, no, there's a high omega-3 content in hemp seed. Right?
Oh, right.
So there's omega-3. There is also in the hemp seed protein. There's fiber, fat, and protein as well. Okay,
so obviously dogs respond to that, like they would any other protein, perhaps even better, or on par with what they would get from, say, chicken or chicken-based products.
Yeah, we use a blend of ingredients as a foundation for the product, right? But hemp seed oil, hemp seed protein is one of the active ingredients. And then we have 3 different formulations for different indications, right? One for older dogs, one for calming, and one for basic omega-3 support.
Okay. Now I know some of the tier 1s like Canopy Growth, and I believe Aurora Cannabis has a division that's focusing on the pet care industry as well. Mm-hmm. Are you sort of rubbing shoulders with the big LPs as of right now, or are you sort of, your ship sort of taking you in different directions with, it might inevitably converge, but not yet? Are you sort of doing your own thing right now and going up, or are you experiencing some sort of competition from the other LPs?
Not really. We're taking a different tack. A lot of the other companies in the space are going the pharma route, right? So they're trying to basically patent a molecule, whereas we're taking the more natural nutraceutical route, so developing a nutraceutical supplement line to be sold over the counter. Okay, so you're you have a differentiator in that regard. That's correct, yeah.
Okay. Switching over to the capital markets side, I know recently you approved the repricing of 2.35 million warrants expiring in late May. Can you tell us more about that and what sort of repercussions that had to your stock and to your operational financial management?
Yeah, it hasn't seemed to have affected the stock price that negatively, right? We were raising money last year, and we're in capital raise mode now. The markets are down a little bit, but so far there's been no negative effect on the stock, and we hope to exercise some of those warrants over the next couple of months. They were going to expire in May, so we just tightened it up a bit and lowered the price to give some incentive.
Terrific. Yeah. Now, you have a new person on vice chair of the board of directors. Her name is Jody Watson.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what she brings to the table, how she complements your business structure, and does this kind of leadership boosts your platform to the next level?
For sure, yeah. I mean, we like to say that we invest in people, and we're very focused on bringing the best people to our team, and thrilled to have Jody on our board. She's a former VP of, I think, marketing at Petco, right? So
so she's from the industry.
Yeah, she's from the industry, and she was really focused on the direct-to-consumer model at Petco, and she left, I believe, last year, and she's bringing some of those talents and skills and industry experience to our board, which is fantastic.
Terrific.
Yeah.
So it seems like you're kind of hitting your stride as a company, or there's obviously it's a journey, not a process. But is there anything on the horizon for your company going forward? What do investors have to look forward to in the next, say, 2-3 quarters?
Yeah, for sure. Well, we're heavily invested in the product line, and we contracted a global branding firm out of Vancouver last year to have a look at our product line. Fine-tune the messaging, and we're launching a rebranded product line in March at a global pet industry show in Florida.
Were there significant changes needed, or was it just sort of a tweak here?
A little bit. Actually, what we did was, it was very interesting. We did a consumer research piece. We went to the market with 1,000 consumers and showed them our existing line and some competitive set. And the research that came back is actually driving this new rebrand, right? So we had some very interesting findings, and one of them actually was that 30% of all the people that buy pet treats are completely unaware of hemp or cannabis, right? So when you're
So they're just picking food off the shelf, saying I need this, and looking at prices, and they don't even know what's
They don't even know about it, right? And when you're in the space and that's what you see every day, you tend to think, well, everybody knows about it, right? But education is a key part of the success of the line, and that's part of our messaging with the new packaging and rebrand, and that it's going to be great. We've had fantastic reactions to it so far.
Do you have any ancillary outreach programs to go along with that, or is it all any marketing campaigns that it's going to reach out to a wider audience, say online or social media?
Yeah, for sure. Leading up to the show, which is just around the corner, we do have some press releases that are going to launch the brand, kind of a sneak peek at the new logo and look and feel of the product. For sure. So, new booth, right? So we're pretty excited about it. We have some more people coming to the show in Florida, and after that, we'll be launching another formulation in the summer, which is basically a hemp leaf-based formulation, right? So we're going into that sort of CBD category in the U.S.
All right, terrific. Well, thanks for stopping by in studio. It was it was a great introduction, at least for me, to your company, and I'll definitely be looking at your further press releases as you progress.
For sure. Thanks for having me.